Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this, we will learn how to find perimeter and area of square and rectangle in Python. This is normal formula used for calculating area and perimeter of square. Perimeter is equal to 4 into side and area is equal to side into side. This is formula used for calculating perimeter of square in Python. Perimeter of square. S is equal to eval bracket input bracket enter side both brackets complete. P is equal to 4 into S. Print perimeter of square is equal to colon complete comma P. Now this is formula used for calculating area of square in Python. S is equal to eval input enter side. A is equal to S1 into S1. Print comma area of square comma complete and A. Now we will see area of square. The formula is S is equal to eval input enter side is equal to and A is equal to side into side, because when user will enter the side, then side will be multiplied by itself. Now to get input, we should write print area of square is equal to in double colon and comma print A, means A. Now we will run this program. Now this is our answer. Enter the side. Now we will enter the side is equal to 2. See, the answer is given area of square is equal to 4. This is the correct answer. Thank you. Now we will see perimeter of square. So this is the formula of perimeter of square. S means side is equal to eval. Then what is eval? Eval is used to check the written number is alphabet or a number. Eval is used to consider it as a number. So we have to compulsorily write eval. Then input, then what you have to take from user, enter side. Now the formula P is equal to 4 into side. P is considered as perimeter. Now we have to take input, so we have to write print perimeter of square is equal to in double colon comma P. So we will get answer as P written in the double colon. Now we will run the program. It is asking for enter the side. Now we will enter the side as 4. See, perimeter of square is 16. It is the correct answer. Thank you. This is normal formula used for calculating area and perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter is equal to 2 into length into breadth. Area of rectangle is equal to L into breadth. Formula used for calculating perimeter of rectangle in Python is given below. You can stop video and see it or watch it. Now this is formula used for calculating area of rectangle in Python. You can stop video and watch it. Now we will learn how to find out perimeter of rectangle in Python. Now we have to take first length and breadth. we will consider length as L and breadth as B and perimeter as P. Now, the formula for taking length from user is eval input enter length is equal to same as breadth. P is equal to 2 into bracket length plus breadth. This is the formula. Now, what we will display as answer? Now, we will display perimeter of rectangle is equal to. Now, it will display the answer in front of is equal to. Now, let us check how the program runs. See, it is asking for length. Now, we will enter length as 2. Now, it is asking for enter breadth. We will enter breadth as 4. See, the perimeter of rectangle is 12. It is the correct answer. Thank you. Now we will see how to print area of rectangle in Python. First we have to take length and breadth. Now we have to write eval input enter the length b is equal to eval input enter the breadth. Now we have taken length as L, breadth as B, A is equal to area. Now this is the formula of area. Now we have to write print area of rectangle is equal to. Now the Python will write the answer in front of is equal to. Now let us check this program is correct or not. So it is asking enter length. Now we will enter length as 2. Now it is asking enter the breadth. We will enter breadth as 8. Now it will show our answer. Area of rectangle is 16. So it is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.